Hey everybody, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. I have some more saloon mail to take care of. Over the years I've been asked this question many times. I thought it's time for us to take care of this now because I just got another email from a guy who says it very good. I'm going to read this to you word for word. He says, "Hi Steve, love your videos. Question, would you recommend tipping your small engine mechanic? If you're willing to give your waitress a tip, why wouldn't you tip your mechanic? All the best, Mike." I think that is a great question. Tipping is a real hot topic. Not all countries tip. It's supposed to be a form of appreciation when somebody goes above and beyond what they're getting paid to do anyways. So just so you know, I don't actually work in a small engine shop for someone anymore. So I personally don't care if you tip your mechanic or not. I want to know what you think because this is such a hot topic. I will tell you this though, all the years that I did spend as a small engine mechanic working in a shop, I only ever got one tip ever in my life. My boss came to the back and he said, "Steve, there's a guy at the front counter who wants to talk to you." Of course, walked up to the front counter. "Yeah, can I help you?" And he said, "Did you fix my leaf blower yesterday?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I fix all the leaf blowers." "Yeah, it was me." And he said, "I took it home yesterday. That thing runs better than it did brand new. Thank you so much." He pulls a $5 bill out of his pocket and he hands me a $5 bill. You have no idea how good that made me feel. It wasn't the money, it was the acknowledgement. It was the fact that he came back the next day to say thank you and give me a little bit of a gratuity. It was an unbelievable feeling. I'll also tell you this. The next time I saw a work order come across my bench with that guy's name on it, oh boy, did he get some extra special service that day. So I want you to put your comments down in the comment section right underneath this video. Tell all of us what you think. Should you or shouldn't you tip a mechanic? And tell us why. I am super interested to know what everybody has to say about this. And I think that's all I have to say about that. Looking forward to reading your comments. Till the next video, guys. Steve out.
Yeah.